this thing.
Huh, broke nigga selling dime bags, get a real job. I'm in the booth right now with a 10 wide. I'ma kill by some papes on the lip eye. Put that shit on time, make the only thing fly. Wrist work crazy bitch.
We're going on a little trip today. Me and my girl finna go visit the fam and shit. Alright, chat. Let's get it.
Intoxicated off of all type of drugs. I'm never sober. Some I'm in love. I need some type of drug. I need some type of drug.
Touchdown in Baltimore, chat. Let's see how it goes. Just got to the B&B. Right on the ocean. Know that I'm singing.
I don't even know how to do it. Surfboard. Surfboard. Yeah, you do. Run and jump. Hurry, the waves coming. You gotta do it when you see them coming up, and you gotta ride it. Like that. Go. Damn, you missed. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Come on, scaredy cat. Oh, that's gonna be big. Oh my god! Hold on, I gotta hold on to this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold your camera!
2 seconds later.
Blinker! Blinker!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay.
Another one.
We'll see, and then we'll... Are you fucking doing drugs on the thing?
Yeah, show them what thing she's talking about.
Okay. This thing.
Let's go! They said there was Hooters. I'm trying to go over there ASAP. Yo, look at these sandcastles, chat. What the fuck's going on? We're about to go to a horse island now. See how this goes. It's very
Nigga, horses don't stop, they keep going.
my boy. Why are you so close? Hey, better. This is what I got going on.
Oh my god, no way, yeah, yeah.
It's supposed to work like that. Oh, there we go. Kinda. No! 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 We just got done building sandcastles and what's it called? Boogie boarding. We are now on a side quest for
Ice cream.
bro.
That is gas.
It's gas as fuck.
Guys!
Oh god. The ride hasn't even started.
Mariah!
Handle it!
Mariah! Mariah! Okay, Mariah.
Oh god.
Hey, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, I'm getting dizzy too.
I'm gonna throw up right now.
Y'all are boring.
I can't stop.
Double, 2-story. What are these called? Carousels? Look at this shit. She's already cooked, bro. We're not even, look how slow we're spinning, chat.
Around the world, around the world.
Like, brother. Damn! Damn! 3.
Just sit tight.
8.
Pull down on the bar.
Oh. Okay, okay.
Fucking have y'all separate a little bit.
Getting yelled at, chat.
If we don't fucking listen.
Holy fuck! Nah, hell no, I'm joking. Bro, I'm soaked! We just got finished up, that was lit. But we got soaked, bro. Soaked.
I got salt water in my eyes, that shit burned.
No way you got scammed by the machine.
It's only $10.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Who's getting 4 tickets?
What did I say?
I called it.
My brother told me how to be.
Yo, your ass. Bang. Alright, yeah, she's cheating, but. Bang! Damn! Oh, wait, I think you have to hit it like perfect.
Bruh.
Watch, let me try it. Yeah, let me. How does it know?
Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations.
Bro, look at that, chat. I actually hit that shit. Wait, it's like really old-timey. That's sick. Oh, hello there!
Winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Bro, okay, I'm lagging. Brother, are you serious? Oh my fuck.
Lucky number 4.
So I think we've come to gambling, chat.
Another
Do it
one.
twice.
Another one.
I gambled a little too hard, chat. We broke it. Well, we're going crazy though. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, this is a gold mine, bro. We've been here for a minute. 1,000 tickets, chat. 2,200. And all this shit. Look at this. Alright, chat. Not too bad of a haul. I also got a shot glass. Is that all you got? I think that's all we got, huh? Alright, chat. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. That was lit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Like and subscribe.
Broke niggas selling dime bags, get